Alright, welcome back, Bug. So this time on our third video for how to dig with robots, I'm going to show you how to adjust for the size of the, what's it called, of the moat. So we first let's run our code for a simple square moat. And let's see, ls moat square. It's going to ask us, hey, what size you want. We're going to put it 3 by 3. It's going to dig it out. And now, let's say the user or you want to make it so that it's like this, right? So the mode's bigger all around here. What we can do is we can copy that program that we made and then create some function that will call that digging perimeter or digging moat code, and then adjust for the robot to go back to the square. What's it called? To go back here. Oh, sorry. To adjust and go to this spot, just like it's here, and then dig that way and this way and that way, and make it a lot bigger, calling the original code from the perfect square and making it all work. So I know that was a little bit confusing how I said it, but I'm going to show you how I do it. That way you get what I mean, okay? So sorry if I confused you. First, let's put everything here, and we're going to, what's it called? We're going to copy the program. So how do you copy a program? You put copy, go to the editor, put copy. Oh, let's first see what programs we have. So we're going to put copy mode square. Then we're going to rename it something else. So m square, and then we're going to make it a bigger mode to the side. So side m square, m4 square, sides x. Then dot lua, then press enter. That'll copy that, clear this, then ls, and let's see if it did copy it. So there's m4s sides, m4 sides x. Okay, now let's go into that one. So edit m4 m4 sides. All right, and we're gonna edit that. So first thing we always do is we start the program by going down, then we ask the user what they want, and then we call this code. So what we're going to do is make this actions into a function, and we need to put that all the way over here. So let's start the program over here. We're going to do start of program, and we're going to say turtle dot dig down, turtle dot down. Okay. Then we're going to do our variables. And then, okay, variable slash asking the user slash user input. That's going to be x equals to number io dot read, and that's about it. And then here's where we call our function for the first square that we want. and that's going to be the 3 by 3. Okay, now let's define our functions here, our function. Remember, always define your functions at the start of the program, because otherwise you'll get errors. All right. So how do we create a function? So function, just here, and the function here, all right? And then we can give it a name. Moat x for the variable or parameter that we're going to pass it. Okay, and that's all good. Now let's see. We need to then create a function that we can adjust the location after the robot completes the fair square. So once it does it here, it's going to go back down here and then here and then starting position, and then we're going to call the function. All right, so let's code that. So function start adjust start, and we're not going to take any variables, we're just going to code it. This might need to be broken up into a few parts for the video, so just bear with me, bug. All right, and then let's see, what do we do? Okay, so we're going to go turtle dot right, turn right. Then we're going to turtle dot turn right. Then turtle dot dig what's in front of us. Then we're going to move forward. Turtle dot forward. Then turtle dot turn left here. Then turtle dot dig. Okay. Then turtle dot forward. Then turtle dot left, turn left. Okay, that's all we want here. We're going to end that function, and let's call these call these out. So function is mode. Let's call our function over here in the program. Moat x. Then what's the other function so we can adjust start. Adjust start. Okay, and then we also need to do the other action where we call the mode x again, but we're gonna have to adjust that because the size is bigger. It won't be the perfect square that we started with. It won't be like 3. It will be like plus 2 of x, so it'll be like a 5 by 5 square around it. And you'll see what I mean. So let's control save, control exit, and for sides, let's call this. Let's see the mode. Oh, we forgot. Let's function. Let's make sure we named this one correctly too. Okay, control save, control exit. Okay, so it went down. What's going on? It did not do its thing. It didn't even access anything. X -1. Attempt to perform arithmetic with a no value. So it's taking, it didn't ask us our values. So let's edit. Because the first thing it needs to do is go down and then ask us our input. Oh, we didn't put a print statement, so square size exit. Okay, so let's call it again here. That's all right. All right. Now let's call that program, and we're going to do a 3 by 3. Enter. Okay. And it created that, and then it adjusts and goes right here where it's going to go and put where it's going to dig these parts out. Okay, so that once we're at the right place, we need to call that function for this square, but we're going to need to make it bigger. So we know that, hey, this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perfect square. So let's go into the program and adjust it. Right, actually, I added another function. All right. So let's put function moat 2 x, and it's essentially the same thing. So for I equals 1 comma no for do for I equals x, it'll be plus 2. Actually, no, it'll be x plus 1, because remember, we already dug the first part of the square, so it's going to be 5 in total. So it's just, if we're asking for a 3 in the original square, then when it does the outside square or the outside moat, it's just going to be adjusted for plus 1 because we already deleted 1. So plus 1, all right? And let's turtle dot dig, then turtle dot forward, then oh, my bad here. I'm gonna do a do for then end, and then end that function. Okay, that should be good. So let's put it over here. Let's call that. So moat 2 x, control save, control exit. All right, let's delete all that so we can show you it's working. Now let's call our program. There's something wrong here. Oh, we spelled it incorrectly. Moat function here. And then that's right, we did not do that either. So mode for do, and okay, we needed to do I equals 1 comma there. Okay, square size 3, so then it's going to do a 3 by 3 here. Cool, it's working. Then it's going to adjust, go down and go over here to the outside perimeter. Then it's going to do another square, but it's going to be, I don't know where it's going. Oh, wow, okay. So that definitely did not work. Okay. Let's go somewhere else real quick. Put another robot right here, and let's look at our code real fast. This video is going to take a little bit longer, so I apologize, Bug. Um, you can take a break after, let's say, the second part where we adjust it, and then come back to it. That way, you're not overwhelmed. So just take your time, and if not, I just ask me, and I can split this video a little bit more. Um, but it is a big thing, so just take your time. It's okay to come back and stop. So edit mode M4. Okay, so let's look at Moat 2. What's going on? All right, so it should make 4 turns, right? And then let's, yeah. It's essentially the same function as above, but it's telling us, or it's doing something where it just goes straight forward. So I do want to dig, and I do want to go forward. Oh, we forgot to turn left. So turtle dot turn left here. That was what we were missing. Okay. Then let's call our function, our program. We're going to make a 3x3 square. Then the robot is going to adjust and go to the outer perimeter, and then call the square again, the mode function, and it's going to make another perfect square, but with an adjusted size. And so then our mode is going to be bigger on the outside. All right. So then 3x3, right? So here, there, and there we have it. We have a robot that will allow us to make a mode that's a little bit bigger on the outside. And if we do some more adjusting, we can even have it, we can even tell the program, hey, we don't want to just have it like 2 blocks out. We can have it 3 blocks out, 4 blocks out. It really just depends on us. Okay, here, let's build another one real fast. Or let's let it dig something real fast. What's a good surface? Ah, okay. There's good. Now, where should I go? Okay. Okay. There's pretty good. Probably. Okay. Let's walk. Okay. Let's put a robot right here, and we're gonna call our program M4, and we're gonna make it a 4x4 square. Enter. And we're gonna start. Gonna adjust. That's the right path, and then call up the square thing again, square function, sorry. And then it's going to make our moat a little bigger. So the inside's a 4x4, and the outside's a 3x3, and then a 5x5. So we created a pretty big moat. So as we call this program, if we let's say we want this little square to be a 3x3, or a 4x4, or a 6x4, it will adjust the outside and inside, and we can build a little island. So I think that's going to be it for now. Sorry this video is a little long, Bug, but if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, until next time, bye.